cash flow, right? So next, because I gotta want to keep this brief and simple. Next is Facebook, Facebook. I feel like Facebook had some bad news today, and the RSI it was sort of oversold, but not really. With the type of news that it has, you would think it would just go down, like dump. But nah, that's not how Facebook works. Of course, Facebook is not new to this news. This is not new to Facebook. Facebook always has antitrust, all types of news. But basically, they're trying to say that Facebook is monopoly, and they don't want Facebook having control of so many people's data, all types of news. But basically, and they don't want Facebook having control of so many people's data in America and just generally around everywhere. What they got? They got what's that phone? I can't think of the name of it, but the phone chatting service like WeChat or something. No, not WeChat. That don't sound right. But yeah, so people use it for international texting. Then they got Facebook. Then they got Instagram. Basically, those are three big platforms. And so basically, people trying to break that up. I mean, I understand why, but pretty much Facebook has reacted to that news because the news hit around where's my pointer at about 1 o'clock, and then look, it went up. It went up once the news hit three candles green. Then it started to go down. You seen the volume pushed it up, and then it starts to go down. All right, and then went down to the low 271, and then it climbed back up. That's tough right there. So I'm just going to monitor that. If not, I'm pretty sure it'll fall in the morning. But then after it falls, it'll make a V shape and go back up. So hopefully I can jump in on that, scalp it real quick, collect some profits, and go on about my day. But a good trader knows you have to be ready for puts, calls, anything, even if it just goes sideways. A good trader knows that. So yeah, I just went through SBUX real quick, Airbnb, and then Facebook. Dash, Dash is overvalued. Dash is overvalued. This don't make no sense. This IPO right here, Dash, it remind me of the Snow IPO. Snow. Snow did pretty well. I think I got into Snow at 230 a share. Yeah, I had it at 230, but then I sold it back when it was at 300. But Snow, why did I sell Snow? Because I just didn't want to hold it anymore. Honestly, I didn't. It was one of those just hype stocks. I just bought it because it was hype. So yeah, but I know it's a cloud computing company, and then Berkshire Hathaway got into it. That's why I got into it, honestly. So I just sold it because I didn't. It's not my type of stock. I'm more of a electric vehicle company type of stock guy, honestly. And what's next, what's coming up in the world, stuff like that. See, that's why I sold Snow, even though cloud computing is next. But nah, just not my stock. Anywho, back to Dash. Dash, look at that. I mean, this thing had a ton of volume today. I'm talking about, I seen like 9 million shares being traded at one point. But yeah, Dash is definitely, it's overvalued. I don't know who would even pay that for a share of this company. And then it's not even complete shares, it's just a fractional share. But this, my personal opinion, it costs Uber. It costs Uber to rise. Because people like Dash rising. And also, Uber sold, what did Uber sell? Uber sold their flying vehicle company, the flying vehicle taxis. They sold that to a smaller company, and they said that they would fund it, they would put some money into it. So I actually missed my entry on Uber. I seen my entry about where was it? Where did I see my entry? Because my entry, I seen the double top for me in Uber. Right here. Boom. So right there. And it was at 54.05. Then I missed it. I'm like, dang, I didn't want to chase it. I didn't want to chase it, so I didn't jump into it. And then I seen it again right here. I'm like, dang, this might be my last chance. I still didn't get into it. But what I did was once I seen this is when Dash IPO'd. So when Dash IPO, I seen it falling down. And I'm like, all right, bet. So that's what we doing. So I got into some puts, and then I think I got out about right there. Nah. I got out like right here. I got out of my puts right here. But it was just a quick scalp on the puts. If I seen it fall. That's look like a Christmas tree. But now that's the head and shoulders right there. Head, shoulders. So I mean, yeah, you will learn a couple patterns. It's time for 'em. But all right, that's the end of my broadcast. Quick, simple, to the point. Let's get some people in here. Let's go crazy. If I said anything wrong or something you don't agree with, just let me know. This is for educational, not even education. This is just for entertaining person. I'm not a fiduciary. I am not a nothing. I'm just a guy that think he know a little something about some stocks that just decided to broadcast it because I mean, why not? So yeah, so join my link, join my Discord, link in the bio. I'm in a couple Discords, but that's just the one I'm trying to get off the ground. And yeah, have a nice night. And if someone ever join this, just type something in the chat or something, and then I go over that stock and my personal opinion, and we can actually do it together. Because if you have think of swim, you can share